In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Google account on your Android phone in under a minute. So here's what you need to do. So first things first, scroll down and click on settings or get to settings, however you usually would do. And then what we're doing is we're looking for the Google account tab. So keep scrolling down here in settings until you see Google. Click on that and then it should open your Google account and you should be able to choose what account you want to then access. So again, I have some accounts here. Make sure you click on the right one and make sure you click on the one you want to change the password for. Once you've done that, click on manage your Google account and your account will then open. Again, you can change the account if you want to. Then go to personal information and you should see at the bottom of the screen here a password tab. Click on that. Then what you need to do is enter in your current password. So I'm going to do that now. Once that's done, all you can do now is enter in a new password, confirm that password and then click change password. And that's how you can change your Google password on an Android phone. If that helps you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.